Let's talk about all the failure points that will definitely arise in your 335i. Starting off with the high pressure fuel pump. That's a big thing because these are weak. I don't know why. They literally can barely hold more than stock power, full bolt-ons. Not even upgraded turbo, they'll fail. The coolant hoses, a lot of them will go bad. They're all plastic. That's the biggest joke about these cars. The big one I found out not a lot of people know is your radiator is made out of plastic on the side. It's gonna melt, get really hot, and eventually those seals will melt and you'll start leaking coolant. So I recommend getting a aluminum one. Valve cover gasket goes bad around 100,000 miles. Oil filter housing gasket goes around about that time. And if you change your oil filter housing gasket, and if you don't, might as well get a cranking guard, because if that oil drips down into the belt, it'll get sucked up into your crank and your motor's locked. So if either do your maintenance, your oil filter housing gasket, or get a cranking guard. I did both. So if you got a 335i today, some mods you should definitely get upgraded coil packs. Those are like a better quality than the OEM ones. You don't have to keep re-getting OEM coil packs. You can just instead upgrade ones. They're called Elders. You can get them from FCP Euro. Check the valve cover gasket. Check the oil filter housing gasket. Make sure if they didn't already upgrade a lot of the main coolant hoses, you should do that as well. There's a Mickey Mouse planes that goes bad. You can get a lot of these hoses online. That should take care of a lot of the main issues that are going to come. Now, if you have the N55 like myself, let's say you're over 100,000 miles, around that mileage, you might develop a rod bearing issue. Not super common, but it does happen time to time with these cars, with these engines in an N55. So I recommend changing them. Definitely change them to some coated ones that will last you another 200,000 miles plus. As long as you do oil changes on time, make sure you're doing oil changes every 3 to 5K, depending on how hard you drive. That's the only thing that matters. Now, if you're wondering what kind of mods, are there any mods that can add to power and reliability to your car? Yes, there are. Is the low pressure fuel pump. Not a lot of people talk about this, but if you have like me, so you have upgraded twins or upgraded single turbo, you're gonna be pushing more power. Upgrade your low pressure while you're upgrading your turbos, or even pushing more power with the stock turbos like Stage 2 Plus, because you're requiring more fuel for the more power. And not a lot of people realize this. Like myself, I figured this out now. My low pressure is going bad because it's rated for around 400. I had a friend tell me, shout out to him, he's always in my comments. He told me these low pressures can't handle that much power because you need more fuel. It's not rated for that. You'll get an upgraded Stage 2 low pressure fuel pump and you'll be fine.